Hey guys, Justin here again. Just going to bring you a video from the 2018 April Mid-Ohio Valley Cars and Coffee. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who came out. Our turnout for this one was pretty impressive. I counted cars as they were coming and going, and we saw 60 cars this time, which is up from around about 40, approximately 40 from last year. So 150% year-on-year growth. I'll take. It's not bad. So thank all of you for showing up and kind of making it a little bit more of a spectacle to come see for you. I think last year I remember talking quite a bit about where everybody was from. This year I think I talked to one guy that said he was from Florida. He said he's moving back up into the area, so I don't know if he's up here visiting or house shopping or what's going on, but I mean, other than that, I don't think I really saw a whole lot of people from way out of town. Like, we had a lot better turnout this time from locals and that kind of thing. And I mean, it was pretty awesome to see everybody show up and kind of come hang out for a little while. So I appreciate all you showing up. I don't think I've said that enough during this intro, but without too much more talking head stuff. I guess the one other thing I should point out is, don't worry too much about this thing or all this over here. That's coming in a separate video. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out in relation to all the other stuff that I have backed up. I have a lot of video backed up to get to you guys. A lot of old track stuff and that kind of thing. And then I think I'm going to try to get a little more into what I was videotaping during 2017, which is going to include our the California cruise and all that sort of thing. But part of what I'm planning on adding into the video is the channel is a little bit of tech, and maybe I've heard rumors of maybe some gameplay stuff coming, maybe. This stuff will all be covered later, and we'll talk more about it and what kind of brought all of it along and that sort of thing later. So, channel overview. I guess it's about time for me to give you guys a little bit of video from the April Cars and Coffee from this year. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.